Hello WordPress users, welcome to our channel. If you're a programmer, you may have encountered this error before. It's called a fatal error, undefined index. In WordPress, an undefined index error usually occurs when you are trying to access an array element that doesn't exist. This error can be caused by a number of different factors, such as a missing or misspelled array key, an improperly formatted array, or a variable that has not been initialized. Here are a few steps that you can take to try and solve this error. Step 1. Check your code for typos and errors. Make sure that all array keys are spelled correctly, and that your array is properly formatted. Step 2. Initialize your variables. If you are using a variable that might be undefined, you can initialize it to an empty value before using it in your code. Step 3. Use the isset function. You can use the isset function to check whether a particular variable or array key exists before trying to access it. For example, you can use the following code to check whether a particular array key exists. Step 4. Turn on error reporting. WordPress has a built-in error reporting system that can help you identify the source of the undefined index error. You can turn on error reporting by adding the following code to your wp-config.php file. This will log all PHP errors to a debug.log file in your WordPress root directory, which you can use to troubleshoot the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to track down and resolve the undefined index error in WordPress. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on WordPress errors.